Alright guys, today I have a little bit of a different video for you. It's a friend's birthday who wanted to shoot some guns, so we're gonna go out. I'm not sure how many people in this group have ever shot a firearm before, so if they let us, then we may try and document that today. But if you're not into this kind of stuff, more fishing stuff coming soon. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be recording, put out another video. Thanks for tuning in.
Listen.
Yeah, so there's 4 rules if you follow.
Cuatro reglas
We'll all be safe
para estar
So,
seguros.
one is treat every firearm like it's loaded.
Que siempre piensa que cada pistola está cargada.
Keep your finger off the trigger until you're ready to shoot.
Nunca mantén tu dedo afuera de uno le dispara mientras hasta que no vayas a disparar. El gatillo, sí, el gatillo.
Make sure you know what your target is and what's beyond it.
Asegúrate que a qué le vas a pegar y qué está atrás de lo que le vas a pegar.
What did I say? Finger off the trigger, treat every firearm as it's loaded, and then don't point it at anything you're not willing to destroy.
Y que no lo apuntes a ninguna cosa que quieras destruir.
Those are 4 basic rules for firearm safety.
Estas son las 4 reglas de seguridad de armas.
For today, I don't know how we'll do it, but just be mindful if somebody's up there, don't have any guns up aiming that direction. So what I have here is, this is a 380, very small pistol.
380, una pistola pequeña.
These other ones are all 9mm, they're just different sizes.
9 milímetros.
So this is the compact,
Compacta.
this is subcompact, and this is a full size.
Este era el tamaño completo.
These are all same caliber.
El mismo calibre de bala, el mismo tamaño.
This is a 22 long rifle, so it's going to be the easiest, least kick gun here.
Rifle de 22 de bala, tamaño bala, y es el que menos vas a sentir la reacción como la potencia de la bala.
So these two are both ARs.
Estos dos son los dos ARs.
They actually shoot the same bullet as this with a bunch more gunpowder.
Los disparan la misma bala que esta, pero lo vas a sentir más, la explosión se va a sentir más.
So this is just an AR pistol, this is an AR rifle.
Una pistola, este es el rifle.
This is a shotgun.
Este es un shotgun.
So I brought 3 different calibers. I brought birdshot, buckshot, and then slugs. Just so you can feel the difference between each of them.
Trajo un shotgun y trajo 3 diferentes de bala para esto.
And then this is a Mosin Nagant. This is a Russian surplus rifle, which shoots the biggest bullet here. This is a
War? Is it a war?
yeah, this is from World War II.
Y este es un rifle de la Segunda Guerra Mundial, es un rifle ruso. Sí, pero también porque unas son semiautomáticas y otras son automáticas. No
Yeah,
solamente
so there's no automatic rifles here.
que no hay ninguna de estas son automáticas.
You need special stuff and it's super expensive.
Que necesitas
Is it against law?
especiales.
It is, if
muy caro.
it's pre-86, it's legal, but you need to have a, I forgot what the word is, but you have to basically declare it.
Yeah.
It's expensive and the government knows you have it.
Es muy difícil tener una automática y el gobierno.
These are all semi-automatic for the exception of shotgun is a pump.
Menos este es
This
un
is a
pump.
bolt action.
Y es un bolt action. Which one's your favorite?
This one I carry the most
Oh, really?
because it's so small.
That one has a lock on it?
It has a safety.
Okay, safety, yeah.
Yeah.
So like all these are the different 9mm, but like, is it like what's besides the size? Like, is like the power of it?
No, so it all
Oh,
shoot
same
the
power?
same exact bullet.
Yeah.
So you're gonna get the same exact power, but a longer barrel gives more accuracy.
More accuracy. Okay.
So-
that's just
And then capacity. So like this one will hold, I think, 18, 17.
Huh?
This holds like 6.
Do you love
But
it?
it's really slim versus this big bulky thing.
Vamos a
Yeah,
lo voy a
okay.
If
esperar.
you wanted to carry something.
So as far as preference,
Yeah.
okay. So it's just accuracy and how much bullets it carries,
Vamos
basically.
a repetir.
Yeah, exactly.
So if you were to carry that, you would carry one loaded?
So the way I carry one
Yeah.
in the chamber already.
One
So
in the chamber.
it's loaded. I just take off safety and I can shoot. And it'll continue. But so I load the magazine full. I put one in the chamber, and then I'll load one more into the magazine so I have a full capacity.
Okay.
So I want to carry this extra magazine around.
Eres so
So
bueno.
Okay.
pretty slim.
¿Está loaded? No, this is
La que es chiquita, pero la más grande es la chiquita. I think it's because it tastes
Get away
like...
from this man.
Rule number one.
Don't point it at us, Andres. Treat it like it's loaded.
nothing.
I believe it's nothing, but you're missing rule number one.
I didn't follow you
Treat
guys.
every gun like it's loaded. It's like
You're like,
at it.
Siempre tenemos...
What if there's one in the chamber right now?
No, there's nothing in the chamber.
Okay, well, I don't know that.
Sola como si...
We checked. I got to check.
Come on,
Check that
now.
thing,
We
wait,
got the video camera. Can't be doing
Alright.
this. But it only holds like 2.
This one in particular holds 6 plus 1.
Oh, okay.
So
yeah,
this is the
okay.
magazine right here.
Okay, I was just thinking shotguns only hold like 2 or 3.
So when you go hunting, by law you can only have 2 rounds. So that's why a lot of shotguns will either only be 2 rounds.
Okay. But it's self-defense one, like
Yeah.
6 is, okay.
So they have different kinds.
Okay.
This is your traditional pump. Usually it's an 18-inch barrel, and then you have like 4 rounds plus 1.
Okay.
But this one's 20-inch barrel, and then the magazine goes all the way to the end.
it would be hard to miss.
I kind of like this one.
That's like just a fun gun, really.
Oh, really?
This is considered a pistol. Doesn't have a butt stock.
Oh, okay, so it's just like an oversized.
It's an AR-15 with a short barrel.
Okay.
But if you put a butt on it, it's considered a rifle.
Okay.
And then you need to get a special
A butt is this thing?
attack stamp. So the benefit of short barrel is if you're in close quarters, like if you're
Yeah,
that was a
like-
thing, then you have a tiny barrel to go through door frames and stuff. But
All right, Sammy.
I'm like, I don't know why
but
they
this
do it.
is just fun to just pull the trigger and hold it here. Like Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Just go. Yeah.
Alright. Yo creo fue alto.
Alto.
Bájalo un poco.
Okay.
Alright. Todavía alto, pero mejor. Está en la caja. Mejor. Todavía muy para abajo. Ok.
Ya. Se acabó.
¿Se acabó?
Se acabó, mira.
Ya, para mirar la pistola.
Sí, ya. Ah, ok.
Ok.
Ahora sí puedo mirar cuánto le pegué.
Son muchos.
Wow.
Cuando empezaste,
3, 4, 5.
cuando empezaste estuve muy alto.
Muy alto.
Lo bajaste, estuve
ya
aquí,
sí, ya voy abajo.
entonces empezaste
Ya.
por abajo. So be careful with that thumb that's on top of the gun, because the slide is going to come back every time.
Okay.
This is going to come back real fast, so you don't want anything above
Okay.
that
so
metal
this one
piece.
here.
So we want to slide this thumb here. Let me come on the other side. You want to raise this thumb up as high as you can.
Okay.
This one you want to fit right under.
Okay.
So lift this joint up a little bit and then push together and out. So I would prefer your thumbs come up a little bit more. Yeah, just like that.
Okay.
So you hit,
The top.
yeah, center but high. I think that was center but low. Alright, you're moving up a little bit. So we're top left. Yeah, get comfortable. Lean forward. Bend your knees a little bit. There you go. That was low left.
Oh, yeah.
That's good. Oh.
lo mataste.
All right. There you go.
Hey, good.
Low right. Right. I think that was right. You just nicked it.
There we
You
go.
got it. Good.
Oh.
There you go. So that was good form.
Yeah, hold this for 1 second.
Good form.
So how do you hold it? How did you?
So you want this thumb as high as you can along the slide.
Okay.
This one, come up, hug it. Yeah, just like that. So you want to push forward, but have a little slack in your elbows to absorb that impact.
Couldn't see it.
Yeah, I'll try and tell you.
Oh no, somebody's driving around the back.
It must be high. I don't.
idea.
You going for steel?
Yeah.
That was right and probably low. There you go. Perfect. That was low. Low. I don't know. That was low. That was low right, I think. There you go.
No, the whole thing.
This part. Grab it from the top, yeah. Just like that. Pull it back. Hard, hard, let go.
And let go.
There you go.
There you go.
Alright, so now it is
There's
loaded.
a lock on the side, so you had to disengage the lock and then it goes forward.
So you are loaded. Remember, lean into it a little bit. Don't lean back.
It's gonna kick, so grip it
Just
tight.
shoot. Just plan for one. Try and align your sights. So remember, like I said, you want it to be level, and you want the center sight to be right in between the rear sight there.
Okay.
Make sure you have a tight grip on it.
Yeah. And then shoot.
And then yeah, pull the trigger once you feel comfortable. I think that was high, but good.
Okay.
So now you know what to expect. Alright, you're shooting on the bottom part of the box.
Oh,
So
a
we're
little bit higher, a little bit.
Higher?
Yeah.
alright, that was good.
That was just above the star.
That was very right. I don't know. That was good, low, but good. I just
Same theory as the other one?
yeah.
Okay.
So slide in your mag, pull the slide back and just let go. There is a safety on this one. It looks like we're off, so down is off. Up would be safe.
So like that, same.
Yeah.
Okay.
So same, you want as high as you can up on the grip. This is a lot smaller pistol, but so ride this up high and then this thumb come down below it.
Ooh, this is small.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, try and do that. Put your right thumb on top and your left thumb under it. There you go.
Like that?
Yeah. So that's good. That's pretty good form. If you want to spread your legs a little, you can bend your knees if that makes you comfortable. I don't know.
I'm nowhere close, I don't know.
I don't know. Let's see. Well, I think you got it right in the middle that time, actually. You're the first guy.
Hey.
That's good in the star. I'm not sure. Alright, that was the last round
Okay.
for that one. But yeah, you did. If you want to walk up, you hit the center at least twice.
Yeah, I can't. So like when I could tell when I hit it, but I couldn't tell when I was missing. Like I couldn't tell where it was going.
Yeah, so there was only one hole. I don't even know if there was one on the red when we got started.
Nice, nice.
If you want, move up and let's take like, I don't know, a few more steps forward. Realistically, if you were using a handgun for survival, you'd probably be a lot closer than this.
And put it in?
Yeah, so you put it in.
Like that.
Yeah, just like that. And then pull. This one should be a little easier to pull back and then just let go. There There you go. So you're loaded. There is a safety, but it is off, so you are ready to shoot. That was good.
Just a little hot.
That was low.
A little low.
My bad.
That was good. Right at the top of the triangle.
Nice.
Then the red. That was a little low. I don't know.
Yeah, I can tell.
That was high.
Yeah. A little hot.
Oh, that was it.
Alright.
Yep. That's a smaller thing.
Yeah, so you're clear.
Take the
So just hold it, just point it down. You can take the magazine out. It's that button by your
This
thumb.
one
But yeah, whenever you're ready, slide it in. There's no external safety, so once
Okay.
it's loaded, you are set. That was low right. That was good. Center. I don't know. That was a little high right, but good. That was center. Nice. That was low. All right. So you eventually started leaning back.
Did I?
You ended in this position.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah.
But
You're one of those.
no,
I'm one of those
it
people.
happened. It just, you tense up and then you just do whatever. But you did well. You did good.
Yeah, I felt like I was. I felt like I was trying to keep my arm like tighter, so less kick, and then I guess that kind of forced me to go back. I guess.
Yeah, yeah. You slowly were just inching. But good. No, that was good. All right. All right, guys. Well, that was all I recorded. I want to make sure everybody was safe and knew what they were doing there on the range. But this was something I wish somebody would have done with me earlier in my life, introduced me to firearms. So I think everybody should do it at least once, know how they work, how they operate. And so that's part of the reason I do it. But if you like this type of stuff, please give it a thumbs up. If you got any questions, please leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more stuff, whatever the heck it is I do every day, subscribe for more content. Besides that, I appreciate you watching, and peace. Have a great day.